Hello, I'm Dori O'Neill, and I'm reaching across the Atlantic Ocean to my friends in the United Kingdom. I'm reaching across to my relatives in the United Kingdom and hopefully some new friends that I'll meet from this venture. You see, I'm an expert in helping people establish online businesses, work from home opportunities. But here's something that's extraordinary. What I'm about to share with you is absolutely risk-free. Yes, you can enroll for free. And this gives you the opportunity to earn while you learn, and I will be your teacher. I will be your guide, helping you to earn money. But it's not just ordinary money. It's the ability to earn and get paid in US dollars and empower your own family to have income coming from outside of the UK. Imagine earning 500 US dollars, taking advantage of the conversion rate, converting those to pounds. That can make a difference in a person's livelihood and their standard of living. I would really like to show you an overview of the program to get to know you. It's absolutely risk-free. Below this video is a simple form. Fill that form out. You'll be introduced to a 10-part YouTube viral video overview of this amazing free opportunity. I'd encourage you to watch each video in the 10 days and know that as you join this opportunity and you have the ability to earn while you learn in a virtual affiliate marketing university environment, you're going to have me in your corner, a specialist in helping people just like you go from beginner to pro with online live workshops that I conduct, guest workshops where I invite in my other friends and colleagues from the industry to help you, and all of my services and all of my training are free. And then you'll find and discover how the opportunity works so that you can actually earn money online, even as a free member, and work your way up to the paid levels. And you'll do it and earn yourself into more and more income. And you'll be part of my UK team that I'll work with exclusively and help you navigate all the pitfalls, avoid all the mistakes, avoid spending unnecessary money to find yourself in a position of reoccurring permanent income paid to you in US dollars. So go ahead, take action, fill out that form. I'll see you on the success side of Master Affiliate Profits, and you'll be a welcomed member to my UK team. Goodbye.